the leading term and leading coefficient of a polynomial. Polynomials are in the standard form when their terms are written in descending order in regard to variables' indices. If written so, the term with the highest degree is called the leading term and the coefficient of this term is called the leading coefficient. For example, if we have the polynomial p, x, equals 5 minus 3x squared plus 7x, first we must write it in the standard form, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. Then, identify the leading term, minus 3x squared, and the leading coefficient, minus 3. Example. Fill in the table, we have the following shown on screen. Solution. Writing the terms of the given polynomials in descending order of degree yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.2.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.2.3, the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.